Okay, hello everyone. This is Casey from WebBuddy. So today's video is more for new WordPress users who have been using WordPress 6 version 6.7 or 6.8. And you may be wondering that when you go to visit WordPress plugin page, and you might always see that there's a popular plugin listed, and one of the popular plugin is called this Classic Editor, and it has about 10 million active installation. So we understand that contact form can have a lot of installation, page builder can have a lot of installation, but what is this classic editor that's achieving so high of an amount of installation? So this has to go back to a little bit of history. That's before WordPress version 5. We have been using this classic editor to create content for our WordPress pages. And it is after WordPress version 5 and version 6, then we start to have Gutenberg editor. So Gutenberg editor is what you have been using when you go to pages, add page, you will see that the format. So this overall format is called Gutenberg editor, that you can add in blocks, drag and drop from there. Okay, so this is known as Gutenberg editor. So at that time when Gutenberg editor was introduced, there are a lot, I mean really a lot of WordPress users, me also included, um, didn't quite familiar with Gutenberg editor. So, um, and at that time, this classic editor plugin was created by WordPress. So many people use this classic editor in the time being while using the latest version of WordPress. So if currently you are using WordPress version 6, the latest version of WordPress, and you want a more simple way of editing or adding content to your website, maybe you can try Classic Editor. So let me show you how it looks like. So first you need to install the plugin. So we go to plugins, add plugin, and you can search for Classic Editor. So this is Classic Editor, you can install, and after you install Classic Editor, you can activate. So once it has been activated, you can go to pages, add a new page, and you can see that this is a title. So for example, this Yoga Basics. And this is where you just type in your content. So as you can see, this is a very simple, very straightforward editor with all the basic option over here. You can click here to expand more option. And once you type in the wording, you can also add media from here. Okay, so that's how it works, this classic editor. So the reason why it has so many installation is because people still using this classic editor with preference over the new Gutenberg editor. So there's really no fixed answer or solution to every user. So if you find that it's simpler, you do not require a lot of customization in your page, then you can use Classic Editor. If not, you can just stick with the Gutenberg editor that comes with the latest WordPress version. So I hope that this tutorial address and explains the reason why what is this Classic Editor and why it has so high of a number of installation. So if you have any questions regarding Classic Editor or Gutenberg Editor, feel free to post in the comments below. I hope that this video provides some useful information for you. Thank you.